Good morning, student. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our online science class. This is Asha Umme Habiba, teacher of Milestone Preparatory KG School, Sector 4 branch. Student, we have already completed our chapter 7 food, and in last class we have done short question and fill in the blanks. I hope all of you have completed your fill in the blanks. Also learn the short question. Now student, let's review. Now, look here SQL. What are the sources of food? Student, do you remember what are the sources of food? Yes, plants and animals. Now, number 2, which type of food gives energy in our body? Now, student, we have learned it in short question, right? That carbohydrate gives us energy. Now, how do foods dry? We can dry the food under the sun, heat, or by oven. Which food makes us sick? Spoiled food makes us sick. Now look here, the answer of FB is also given. So student, if you have completed your FB already, then correct the answer. If you have any wrong answer, cut it and write the correct answer and then learn it. Okay students? Okay, now let's go to our today's lesson. Today is our lecture number 14 and today we are going to discuss broad question answer. Now student, before going to our broad question answer, I want to tell you something. I will just discuss the question and answer to you, but how can you memorize it? We are not giving you the sheet now. So what you can do is you can take the screenshot of the video. Okay, you can just pause the video and take the screenshot and then memorize it later. Okay student, now look here, number 1 question. Why do we need to eat fruits and vegetables? Fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help our body to work properly and stay healthy. They also protect us from diseases. So we should eat fruits and vegetables. So this is the answer of question number 1. Now look at question number 2. Describe the ways of preserving food. Student, this is very easy. We have already completed it, right? Yes. Now let's see. There are many ways to preserve food, and these are as follows. So some of them are given here, which is given in your book, that is drying, canning or bottling, and refrigeration. Now drying is the process of taking moisture by the heat of the sun or an oven. This method works for fruits, fish, meat, pulse, etc. Canning or bottling. Canning is the process of heating food at a specific temperature for a specific period. The food is sealed in a closed container. For example, jelly, juice, sauce, etc. Now, the last one is refrigeration. Refrigeration is the process of keeping food in cold place. We preserve vegetable, meat, fish, etc. by this way at home. See student, it's really easy, so memorize it. Okay, now let's go to our next two questions. What is nutrition? Write the function of nutrition. Student, do you remember when we have done our first lecture in this chapter? That time I have discussed about the nutrition to you. Yes, look here, the same definition is given. All types of food contain some food value which is used for building up our body. It's called nutrition. So you will learn the definition. Okay, then the function of nutrition. It develops our body, it compensates losses, it supplies the energy and produces heat. Now student, in your book the function of nutrition are not given directly, but in your book they have given the function of different types of nutrients. From there we have summarized and we have take one important function from each. Okay, so it develops our body, Compensate means recover. Okay, recover losses. Then it supplies energy and produces heat. Now come to number 4. Why should we eat a balanced diet? Draw a picture of a balanced food. Now student, look here. Balanced diet is the mixture of all group of food. It keeps us healthy and strong. There is no single food which contains all kind of nutrients. So we should eat a balanced diet to get proper nutrition. Now my dear student, you have to draw the figure. The figure is given in your book already. That is a food plate. Okay. Now student, if you don't want to draw this chicken or milk or different vegetables, you can just write the names. Okay. And of course, after drawing the figure, you have to write figure name. That is figure a balanced diet or a balanced food. So are you clear, student? Okay, now pause the video, learn it, or take the screenshot of the broad question answer. Okay, now let's go to our diary. So our today's diary is learn BQA and write BQA 2. So student, learn all the 4 BQA properly and then write number 2 BQA. So this is all for today. See you in the next class and complete your task properly. Stay safe at your home. Take care.